What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is where I give you guys all the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space, from altcoins to meme coins, you name it. We're checking it out on the channel. In this video, we're going to be checking out ZVT, Zombie Virus Token, or Virus World, guys. Now, I stumbled across this project. I was like, why is this not getting that much attention? It looks very interesting. The chart looks super bullish. And they have a very cool concept with the project. Alright guys, before we get into any more information on the project, I just had to show you guys the chart of Zombie Virus Token because it's super bullish. I'm so shocked that the project doesn't have a ton more attention going on for it, man. It is crazy to me, right? Right now it's sitting at a $41.2 million market cap with $7.5 million in liquidity and a 165K 24-hour trade volume, guys. It's insane how bullish this chart is. It's already up 4,000%, 40x, man. Right, so this could be perform like a Pepe did, right? I could see this. I could see Zombie Virus Token performing like Pepe did, man. Because look at how bullish this chart is. This could continue to crush it and just go ballistic and bonkers, guys. I'm telling you. Now, obviously, guys, always manage your risk. Never invest more than you're willing to lose into any project. But from the looks of things, man, this is absolutely insane how bullish this project is right here, man. So I just had to show you guys what was going on with this chart, man, because this chart is absolutely insane, and it's so surprising and shocking to me that it's not getting a lot more attention. It's like it's super underrated. So I'm like, you know, taken aback by you know, how bullish this is with not much people mentioning it. And yeah, I just had to bring the chart to your attention, guys. And yeah, man, let's hop into more information on the project so you guys can see more utilities and the more stuff that's built for ZVT, Zombie Virus Token. It's really focused around NFTs, so I think that's probably why it doesn't have as much attention as many other projects, because it's focused around NFTs. But NFTs are disruptive technology, and it's only a matter of time until the NFT community and the market for NFTs starts to explode once again, just like the metaverse and GameFi and web-free gaming, guys. It's only a matter of time until NFTs are utilized, you know, just like collectibles, real like collectibles. And as we could see in like CS:GO, for example, people are spending tens of thousands of dollars, hundreds of thousands of dollars on in-game items for like Counter-Strike Go, which is a Web 2 game. It's only a matter of time until NFTs, as it's, you know, disruptive technology, starts to get more attention, and the NFT market starts to explode like it did in previous times with Bored Ape Yacht Club and CryptoPunks, right? So this project is mostly focused around NFTs, but it also has an actual crypto project that you could buy and sell and trade, right, on Uniswap, right? This is an Ethereum ERC20 based project. Now we're gonna dive into it, guys, but always remember, I am not a financial advisor. Never invest more than you're willing to lose into any project that I cover on the channel, guys. Remember, crypto is very risky, so always manage your risk, guys. So when we take a look at the website, you can literally mint and buy your NFTs, which is your zombie NFTs. You could go through the website. You could see that this is a very up to you could see when I research it, you could see the team really put in that work. They really put in that time and effort, guys. Growth type NFT, so like you could literally take the NFTs and add experience to the NFTs so they level up and become more powerful. Grow your NFTs through various activities and mine more tokens, right? That's super bullish concept. It's like a zombie to earn concept, and you can see all the different zombies right here, the different NFTs. You gotta love the artwork, guys. Like I said, you can tell from what from when I went through the research, you can see on the screen that the team really put in that time and effort. They have a level up system, level up through V code. Copy the V code link of my zombie and invite your friends to level up your zombie. So they have like a referral program, right? You refer people to the project, and then you could help that to earn through the referral program, and also level up your zombies, guys. Level up through the item dropping, drop your zombie to level up your NFTs. And they also have the different project activities as well. Become of the Virus World community and participate in various activities within the community and experience an authentic Web 3.0, guys. Super bullish stuff for the project. Like, I love what I see. I love the idea behind it. Very innovative NFT gaming system. So like the NFTs, you know how a lot of NFTs don't have actual utility. Even right now, Bored Ape Yacht Club is developing their metaverse game for their NFTs, right? This one right here as a project has its token and the NFTs with actual use case. They also have a guild system. Join the guild to mine more ZVT, which is the token, or create a guild and run it yourself to create a community. As a guild master, you can mine more ZVT, enjoy our project with people. Now in the GameFi ecosystem, GameFi of you know, when it comes to crypto Web3, there are guild systems where you could be a guild leader or somebody that participates in a guild, and then you split your revenue with people that are earning through the level up system or the gaming system. So like, if the game is, you're earning $100 with the game, you have a guild member that does some of the work for you, then you go 50-50, and then you guys could hire multiple different guild mates, so you guys could literally earn on a consistent basis and earn passive income that way, guys. You can see the World Guild, very bullish stuff. You can see the artwork is so on point. They also have a DAO system, guys, where the community, the retail investors make decisions for the project, and you know, the decisions go through, right? Guild system and DAO, you can belong to a guild and can be part of setting up various systems for the guild. You can be a part of organizing the guild system and Virus World DAO. This is going to work together and create true Web 3.0 community. Time to become a part of the Virus World. So like, for example, like here, this is what I was saying. You and your guild mates literally can earn together and then make decisions, right? That's super bullish, right? Then they also have the social media for Virus World. I joined the Discord, very active Discord right here. This is the, I think it has around like up to 10,000 or so members in the Discord. There are people that are consistently engaging in the Discord. They have their Twitter as well. Let's take a look at the Twitter. 15,400 followers on Twitter. Some followers that I actually follow as well, right? We aim to take over the crypto world with ZVT. They recently had a burn, and they also have another burn that is incoming soon on the 31st, right? Another couple days away, they're going to be doing another burn. So they burnt 61 million of ZVT, and they have another burn that's happening on the 31st, guys. So now would be a nice time to ape in, take a chance on the project. Now obviously, like I said, manage your risk though, guys. Never invest more than you're willing to lose. But you can see that they're very engaged on Twitter, which is very nice stuff to see. They did an airdrop as well to spread awareness. 21,000 views on that tweet, 13,000 views on this tweet, and they're making memes and shilling to Elon Musk. This project could go on a run like Pepe did, man. I wouldn't be surprised, man. Also mentioning CZ, they have their DAO, FedNow payments. Talking about FedNow and CBDCs. Even the team members at Virus World knows decentralization is the future, and that we should be a part of different systems. So that's why they're mentioning their DAO here. Pretty nice stuff, pretty bullish stuff, man. Let's keep going. You could also become a partner and join the guilds as well, guys, to become a part of the Virus World community and team. They also have some more utilities with a swap, right? They literally have a dashboard, so you could track your ZVT airdrops, your claims, your mining power with the NFTs you can mint and mine through the NFTs, right? And then they have the dashboard right here. I think they got a leaderboard. Okay, they also, okay, nice. So they have a leaderboard covering all new updates and stuff like that. They have a tutorial for you to learn about the system, right? They have whether you want to sign in as a zombie or a guild member team, right? They also have their own swap. They have their own swap right here. So yeah, guys, you can see with Uniswap has been getting a ton of competition. So zombie token, zombie virus token, ZVT having their own swap is super bullish, man. That gives it an extra layer of utility, and you love that, man. So you could do ETH swaps here instead of having to go through Ethereum Uniswap for that, especially with Uniswap and how slow it is. And man, a lot of people are using Telegram bots to swap now, right? So yeah, there's so much stuff that is built for zombie virus ZVT. And we also have the doping system right here. After doing my research, the doping system, like I said earlier in the video, from when we were checking out the main site, it is a process where you level up your zombie NFTs by buying doping items using the ZVT token, hashtag ZVT, right? Then you level up the zombies and you use them to help mine. So it's like the NFTs that you get, you use it to mine and earn rewards through the ZVT ecosystem, right? So since ZVT is zombie virus world is a mining project and still in its early stages, it will benefit users to mine and to mint the NFTs now rather than selling them right away. So you mint the NFTs, then you could buy the leveling up items with ZVT, and then you could use the NFTs to mine and make the mining more efficient, right? So like I said, that is super unique for a project, man. This system that they've developed right here is super unique, super innovative. I've never seen much projects that do something like this when it comes to NFTs, and this is why I say these NFTs that they've developed has so much utilities going for it. So right here we have the XP boost for 1000 ZVT, the adrenaline capsule for 50 ZVT, and you get 300 XP, the adrenaline syringes, right, the adrenaline condensate, and the strange potion, man. Very cool stuff, like really cool, very interesting, and very unique, innovative stuff, man. It is super shocking to me that, like I said, that more people aren't diving into the project and talking about it more. But that's how it is in the space. There's so many altcoins that go under the radar until they start exploding, and then more and more people talk about it, right? So look at this right here, 3000 XP acquired, right? 3000 XP, 30,000 XP, so the strange potion is like a randomized item, in my opinion, guys. Because of the fees and stuff, I would honestly just bet more on the strange potion. It's 1000 ZVT for it, and you know, you get your NFT, you buy your NFT, you get the strange potion for 1000 ZVT, and then boom, just like that, boom, all of a sudden you could get 600,000 experience, and then boom, that's the only NFT you need for mining, right? So yeah, that's pretty much how it is in, like, you know, video games and Web 2 games, right? The only difference is instead of crypto, you pay with like in-game currencies that's, you know, paid with through fiat, right? So it's basically the same thing, but in the Web3 space, we already know it's a more innovative approach with blockchain technology and, you know, decentralization, right? Super great stuff. And again, like I said, you could go through the guild mining guide. You could set up a guild with you and your friends. You could you could go through the tutorial, right? Have a tutorial you could go through, right? And they also have creating a new guild as well, right? Super bullish stuff. We also have the white paper. You could see, like, from what we're seeing with the project, that it is, the team really took their time to develop this, and you know, this could have a huge amount of potential in the future as a project, man. What are the key differentiating concepts of the ZVT token? ZVT is a real DAO Web 3.0 community that evolves organically without influence from any specific central authority. We gotta love that decentralization. There's also no VCs that are involved in this project. No venture capitalists are involved that'll, you know, dump on you with whenever you invest. They, you know, typically a lot of these VCs get a huge amount of supply early and then dump on retail. You don't have to worry about that with ZVT, guys. They also have their real DAO. They have their roadmap, right? Implemented auto boost, open virus world storyboard, established the real DAO, minting and the level up functions, which I've mentioned. Awesome stuff. XP boosters. They also have a new collection that they'll be launching on Arbitrum, guys, so look out for that, man. On layer 2, they are, you know, layer 1 is Ethereum. They have a new collection that will be launched on Arbitrum as well. And you know, a lot of people are using Arbitrum because compared to Ethereum, has very low fees in comparison, and you know, minimal fees. You don't have to, like, ETH is so annoying with all the high gas fees, guys. It sucks, but you know, a lot of transactions take place on ETH. A lot of users are on Ethereum, but yeah, so they're expanding ZVT to Arbitrum, guys, which is great stuff to see, man. Why is the project conducted anonymously? So there's no docs team here. They're just adhering to, you know, that decentralization, building out their Web 3.0 community by being fully decentralized, man. But the team is definitely putting in that work. They have the details of the numeric tables for Virus World and how all the breakdowns happen for the leveling up system. Absolutely bullish stuff, man. Like, I really like what I see from the project. You know, like I said, this could run like Pepe, man. You just never know in a bull cycle what could happen. As long as the team stays active, the community stays crushing it. You guys can see the engagement on social media. The team is putting in that work. They're doing a lot to spread awareness of the project. As long as the team stays consistent, man, and you know, the community stays active, and you know, it's just a forward mission, just a mission towards success for the project. You just never know, man. You just never know when it comes to projects like this, how far they could go in the future. So yeah, for ZVT, I think it's very bullish. I think it could crush it. It is, you know, like I said, it's whenever metaverse and gaming does come back, whenever that, you know, that Web3 GameFi moment comes back, because people like Alex Becker, for example, huge YouTubers like Alex Becker thinks GameFi, play to earn projects are gonna be the biggest, you know, senders in the space. They're gonna be the reasons for mass adoption, right? There's gonna be a bunch of streamers and gamers, you know, people that are much younger that finally get into the crypto space through GameFi and play to earn type of leveling systems, RPGs, MMORPGs, similar to Virus World, right? This is like a decentralized RPG, right? I think that Alex Becker could be right with that thesis, and you know, projects like this, whenever that you know, sector of crypto starts to explode again, like we saw with Decentraland, Illuvium, Axie Infinity, Sandbox, right? We saw that explosion, man. It's gonna happen again, and I think Virus World ZVT can crush it, man. If you hold the project, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything about ZVT and myself, the website, will be in the description, and you know, the pinned comment, so you guys could go through the website for yourself. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.